how to install PUBG Mobile on PC. So if you want to install PUBG Mobile on your PC, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with search, and here you can search for either BlueStacks, click on www.bluestacks.com, and then you will have download option. You can download your BlueStacks. Or the other way is you can also go with gameloop. Search for gameloop and then go with www.gameloop.com. And here also you will have download gameloop. You can go and download your gameloop, or you can go and download your BlueStacks, anything that you're comfortable with. Once you've downloaded, you need to open the application, gameloop or BlueStacks, any emulator that you're comfortable with. And then you need to search for PUBG Mobile. After searching for PUBG Mobile, you'll have the PUBG Mobile right here. You need to click on download, which will be on the right side, but make sure that you install the application of gameloop. And under the application, you need to search PUBG Mobile, not on your browser. So go with download, and once you click on download, it will start the download process. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and you'll be able to install PUBG Mobile on your PC. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.